It is June 28th, 2026. Today is Sunday. It is around 12:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, and this is parking structure A. It just reopened up after the alleged repairs were complete. We're at Ridge Hill Apartments in Aurora, Colorado. It's over here by Mississippi and Blackhawk Street. So there's some issues that are still present. Here there is doors that are damaged. As you can see, not even connected. So the hinge is not connected. Yeah, anyways, I don't want to touch this. It's gonna fall on somebody. So these are the alleged repairs that are made. So this isn't the only door that is allegedly repaired, which is not. It's obviously not repaired. So yeah, this is all bad. And code enforcement probably came and took a look at this and did nothing. This is another one. So this can hurt somebody, especially elderly or children, which there's a lot of children in here at this facility. Also, there is a large amount of not a large amount of senior population, but there are seniors here at Ridge Hill Apartments. We got the foam